Okay, this is a real short and sweet video about high praises to the service department at Chadwick BaRoss in Bangor. I brought this in. The Extendahoe slides had worn to the point that when the Extendahoe was fully retracted, it was hitting the cylinder and had gouged the cylinder. Now, I bought this backhoe in this condition, and the sales department was another story. The sales department wanted me to pay for everything and blah, blah, blah. It was just a few days after I had bought it, and I just wanted to work something out with them. I knew I was going to have to put new tires on it and all kinds of new stuff for something that's been used. I knew I was going to have to do all kinds of stuff to it, but I figured that this is something that they could work with me on, but they didn't want to work with me on it. So anyways, I brought it into the service department down there, and their standard charge for rebuilding a cylinder was $299. Well, got to talking with the guys who were going to be doing the work, and they asked me, is the cylinder leaking? Is it leaking where those dents are, where it's been eroded? And I said, no, it's not been leaking. I said, if I had a TIG welder, I'd try TIG welding it, and I said, and leave it at that. It'd probably, just fill the metal in. And well, they said they were going to give it a try. Well, I left it there, and I didn't know whether I was going to get a $299 bill or how much the bill was going to be. But anyways, they called me back about an hour after I dropped it off, said it was ready. They did a superb job on it, and you can just barely see that anything's gone wrong with it. But it works fine. It's beautiful, and they didn't charge me a penny to do it. So the service department there is absolutely phenomenal, and I love them. As far as the sales department, I guess it's all about the bottom dollar. Thank you.